Hi, I'm Dr. Marci Dial, my avatar version, and I'm here as a member of the OADN Simulation Committee to invite you to our pre-conference workshop, Pioneering the Basics of Simulation Design. Here's the honest reason we built this session. A lot of scenarios look polished, but don't actually teach what they claim to teach, because the fundamentals get skipped. So we're going back to the Healthcare Simulation Standards of Best Practice, Simulation Design Standard, and walking it through step by step. Dr. Janine Berndt, Diane Bradley, Dr. Christy Hyde, Dr. Liz Robison, Dr. Tammy Schwab, and I will guide you through writing measurable objectives, importance of aligning expected outcomes, planning pre-brief and debrief, active learning strategies, discussing fidelity, and the importance of pressure testing a scenario before it goes live. You'll leave with a draft scenario, a reusable template, and a toolkit you can use back at your program. We look forward to you joining us at this workshop. Strong foundations are how we pioneer what's next.